Hi everyone, this is Seah. Once again, thanks for joining me. Today is going to be my routine on using these heat exchanger lever style espresso machines. Um, Basically with a rotary pump and a very large boilers. And due to the fact that it's a heat exchanger, we always have to flush before we start to use. So let's get started on how I actually do the workflow. On the Timemore Sculptor 78S and the blind shaker. Coffee, we're going to use the Harmonic Elegance, which is a mix of Brazil Cerrado and Sumatra Mandling. A very well balanced coffee, mild acidity, more towards sweet side, and very good body. Very good mouthfeel because of the mandling nature, and Cerrado does give you a little bit of a citrusy there. Very subtle. So I think I'm going to do on this basket, I'm going to do a 20-gram basket. So let me get a portafilter that's okay. Let's use this one. This one doesn't lock up the portafilter really nicely. I feel that there is a better one. So you can see it locks up at 6 o'clock and then push to the, it can't really go any further. So let's do a quick flush. Okay, it's not overheating yet, so it's not too bad. Right, so let's get ready 20 grams of coffee. Right, 20.1, that's good for me. Right, and I'll be putting my blind shaker at the bottom of the Timemore Sculptor 78S. I prop it up slightly higher so that the coffee can come out and hit the middle bar on the blind shaker. Right, later on I'll try to zoom in to let you see how it grinds. Right, maybe I should do that now. Let's turn on the grinder. Okay, currently I'm grinding around 1.5. Right. You can see how the coffee is actually dispersing. Right, let's see. Right, so again, as if you follow my live stream every morning, I like to do a blind shaker in the horizontal shaking sense, which always gives me a better sweetness, mild as very balanced acidity, which is the cup of coffee which I like. So now let's get over to the pack preparation. Right, so as you can see, I'm going to shake this horizontally for about 10 seconds. Right, and I'm going to take out the polytechnic. Right, just going to dry it quickly. Right, and what nice about this is it sits nicely on your 58mm polyfilter. Of course, the MHW3 bomber also comes with 54mm, I believe. You can see how the static, not static, the moisture in my house here is much higher as compared to my cafe. So you can see there's a lot more, the coffee actually comes a bit more. Right, so let me shake it a little bit. Right, and I'm going to slowly spread it out. right? And I'm gonna toss it slightly for the coffee to settle. Right. If you ask me, will tossing cause any disturbance to the coffee that we have grinded? Definitely, my answer to that is yes. But to how much it affects how the grind is distributed, I think it's still better than me doing vertical shaking. So I'm not going to do any WDT. I'm just going to distribute the coffee. Right, you can see it's distributed really nicely, and then I'm just going to temp it. And I will not be using any part screen. I'll just be using whatever that is come without the part screen and pour a shot of espresso. Right, so right now I'm going to bring my camera to let you see the extractions. I hope I can get a good angle there for you to see. Right, this is pretty good. Right, and I'm trying to get my shot glass so that you can see more. Right, I hope we can give you a better angle in this. Alright, so let me pull the shots and you can see how long it takes for the first strip to come out. I grind pretty fine for this. Okay. Pre-infuse. Let's merge into one. Yes. So let me try to zoom in and see, would that give you a better view? Okay, we are extracting about 29, 30. My aim is to get about 40 grams. Okay, I'm heating 40 grams, so I'm pulling my shot glass aside. And then I'm going to show you the espresso quality. The remaining espresso I just really drain out. And I'm not going to drink the one that's to the last stage of the espresso extractions. Still pulling a pretty good one. Right, so now let's look at the espresso. Right, so I'm going to taste the espresso first. Right, then I'm going to use the remaining espresso to turn it into probably a small latte. Right, so let's do that. This machine has a very powerful steam, which you will see in a short while. Right, but before that, let me just switch the camera to taste the espresso. Right, let's give it a try. The espresso color is very rich. About 40 grams, so about 40 seconds, because I did pre-infuse for about 10 seconds. Oh, it smells good. Wow, very well balanced. The sweetness is there. Very good body. Yes, very good shot. Wow. It's good, right? So now I'm gonna use this to steam some milk, and then we're going to turn this into a flat white press, right? So I will say that this is a very good shot. It's very tasty, right? So let me get ready the machine for steaming and get some milk ready, and then we do the next stage, which is actually to froth the milk and then pull some latte art. Then we can drink the remaining as a milk-based drink. So before we steam the milk, I have to do a little bit of purging. Which means I have to get rid of the condensation of water. So you can see how much water it actually condenses out, because I didn't purge anything. So it's a very powerful steam tip. Right, let's get ready to steam. I hope it does give you a better angle. Right, milk's ready. Okay, let's perch a little bit. It's a 4-hole steam tip. Right, just to check the quality of the steam milk. Right, so now let's try to do a little bit of latte art. Okay, let's get the right angle, right? Okay, I think it's a little too thick. Okay, not the best. You can see it's not a very good latte art. Anyway, I did it in a very odd angle. So I'm still not very good at shooting latte art. Use with a tripod stand and get the right angle. So perhaps I have to find a better angles for that. Anyway, I didn't do a good job in the latte art for today. Thanks for watching. Alright, this is CY. I hope I can continue to produce good quality coffee content, and probably tonight I'll be doing an unboxing video on the Gemilai CRM 3145. Comes with an automatic milk frother sensor at the steam tip of the steam wand, which automatically cuts off the steaming when the temperature is reached. So pretty excited to open that and to use. So let me try the latte, flat white, sorry. Yeah, the foam looks more like a latte than a flat white, right? Yeah, it's good. So thanks for joining. I will see you in the next video.